So Tami Jensen is our wedding specialist here at Roil. I'm really excited to have a quick chat today and to go over the article that you've written about getting ready for getting married. You're covering most of the tips that we want to know, but thinking about it, I was wondering if you could give us another tip on someone, what's the difference between maybe someone whose hair is already ready and they're just going to keep going and get a great updo or whatever for their wedding versus someone whose hair is nowhere near what it should be and they're going to go on this year's journey that you're portraying for us. What do you think the number one tip would be for that person?
Well, I think it's really important for that person to stick with a stylist and use that person on a regular basis for that journey, for at least that year of that planning for their hair. It's really important to be consistent because that way you can progress instead of digress, as far as if they end up cutting too much of your hair and then you end up going to somebody else, somebody's going to be constantly, the stylist or colorist is constantly fixing that other person's stuff, so it's just good to be consistent.
But what do you do with someone, for example, that you've got ready and then they are going on a destination wedding? I mean, do you talk to the person down at the destination, or do you just give them information, or do they take a look with them maybe?
Well, I suggest destination weddings are a little tricky because you don't know who's going to be doing your hair.
They should just fly you down.
Yeah, they should just fly me down there. I'll go. I'm always in. And you know what? I suggested that it's also great to go to your stylist and do a practice run and maybe have your stylist do a video, and then also take pictures, and then you can really then they can go down there and have a meet and greet with the stylist and do a trial. Definitely a trial.
Does it all go to pot on the day of the wedding? Do people just lose their nerve? I mean, you're the expert.
Yes. I've literally seen families screaming at each other, wigs flying out of bags. I've seen brothers yelling at their dads.
Oh my God.
It's insane.
You should write a book. So probably the best advice is have a glass of champagne before you start.
Stay calm. It's all going to work out. Just make sure you're very organized and plan. Plan, plan, plan.
Plan, plan, plan.